Neopost, or now Quadient DS-1200. It has a number of different feeders and options. We're going to walk through them with you, then we're going to do a demo. So this is your 24-inch touchscreen here. It automatically sets up the machine, saves all your jobs, your interface, everything. I believe it has, what, 1.5 million?
About 1.6 or so.
1.6 million cycles on it currently, which is really low usage. These are good for tens of millions of cycles. This is the main insertion unit here. It does have the high capacity side. The delivery has the stacker automatically puts all the envelopes on their side. You can have up to 16 feeders. The first one here is for the envelope. That is not counted towards the 16. This unit has 4, but you can add again up to 12 more. The first one here is for things that do not need to be folded. They can either be pre-folded or smaller inserts. And that number 2 is the same. Number 1 is a little higher capacity. I believe 40 inches of paper can go in there, 20 inches of paper in here, and you can load them on the fly. The third feeder here is what they call their mobile trolley system, which you'll see around the back. But it has a mobile trolley. There's I believe 2 extra trolleys that load from the rear, and that'll hold up to 5,000 sheets. This third feeder here will feed sheets and fold them here as it goes into the insert track. The fourth feeder is the accumulator feeder folder. So why don't we walk around to the rear here. So these are the mobile trolleys, the mobile feeders that you can load up ahead of time coming right out of your copiers. The third feeder is a pile feeder that uses those. And your mobile trolley system is on this one as well. So this will accumulate and fold. So you got a camera system here for your accumulator for barcode reading, character recognition. Accumulates here, folds, and goes into the insertion. Now going to the left here, this has the flat module with it, which can also utilize the accumulator feeder. So with the flat module, you can feed off the pile system here, accumulate, it comes down and into the track here. The flat module do full flats up to 10 inches by 13 inches. That's the envelope feeder for the flats there. It has 1 insert pocket for our feeder for the flats. You can add up to 7 more for a total of 8. And you can utilize the accumulator feeder with the flats as well. You just can't fold for the flats. It has its own interface here. Again, automatic setup, up to 10 by 13 inches, and it has its own delivery conveyor here off the left-hand side. Going around the front, I think we went through pretty much everything here. Again, feeder 4 is accumulator folder. This is a pile feed to 5,000 sheets folder. 2 more insert feeders here, and it is expandable. That's your inserter and your extended delivery with putting the envelopes on their sides. We're going to go ahead and get the machine fired up here, and we're going to do a test in a minute. We're just using feeder number 3 here for the test. He's feeding and folding. You'll see it's flipping them up on their ends there. Nice, easy to load into boxes. And it has a tray here. You can put boxes right here to load your envelopes up as you're done, or mail trays. There's your envelope feeder. We're about to run out of envelopes. We're going to shut her down. Again, Neopost or Quadient now, DS-1200, 4 feeders, 1 accumulator folder, 1 regular pile feeder folder, 2 insert feeders. You have your additional flat module insert feeder and your additional feeder for the flat envelopes. This is the computer inside here that runs the whole thing. Very low usage. It came out of a college. If you have any other questions, please check the website.